to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I got from AliExpress, and this is my first time buying from this company, from buying this unit from this company, from 𝐷𝐿𝐒. And I never bought anything from this company, and it is called 𝐷𝐿𝐒. And it is, I have a honey blonde. Let's see what's in the bag, y'all. They give you little gifts. You get a quick tap, a band, cheat sheet. I have a color highlight body weave, a 13x6 lace front wig, human hair, honey blonde, a 200% 𝐊𝐄𝐒. Came in a bag like this. These streaks. You'll smell. I'm sorry, I always do that. Look at this honey blonde. This is so pretty. So, and look at the adult baby hairs. We're gonna put those and we're gonna tint the lace. It'll fit my little head. Look. This is pretty. The powder wasn't doing it. I want to cut these baby hairs down. No good in cutting, doing baby hairs. I'll fix it. She just all this do right. You can recurl it if you like, but I'm not going to curl it because it's already curled. I just play around with these baby hairs and put some powder in these. But I will fix this hair. This. I'm not going to take it down. Get rid of some of them. Nobody should be all in your grill like that. But this is pretty. My part's wicked. Oh, I just that clone everywhere. I like wigs, and I like to help people with conditions like me with traction alopecia and people that had a brain aneurysm. So I like to help people that suffering with conditions like me. So this is who I am. Okay, guys. This is the end of this beauty here. This is from 𝐷𝐿𝐒 18 inches honey blonde. She did not shed. She did not tingle. She is a beauty. And let me give you what she looks like all around. I am 5'2". I have no issues with this beauty here. I will put the link in the description box below. You can get her from AliExpress. She is affordable. I will put all the information in the box below. Keep watching for the next video. There's more coming. Thanks so much for stopping by and supporting my channel. Till next time, guys. Peace.